Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about how to create your event management business website on Wix.com. So the first thing to do is to create your account on Wix.com, then head to create new site. So you just have to answer some questions like what kind of website are you creating? So here we have event management company. That's perfect for us for now. Click on next. And what's the name of your company? Something like this. I'm just randomizing names using the radical madaga and adding some letters. So what do you want to add to your website? We have chat, bookings, online store, we have Instagram feed, events, blogs, portfolio, pricing plans, online programs, music, video, forms, forums, groups, file share, table reservation, restaurant menus, food order, and Centown. Yeah, click on next and start setting up your business. You can go to dashboard and continue step by step, or you can start designing your website, or you can just let Wix do the website for you in a couple of minutes. So let's go to the dashboard and continue step by step. But I think the next step will be to design your website. So it is one of the steps. Now we have 7 steps. Next step is to add your first service. So appointment, class, and courses, something like those events. So let's do just a kids party, like birthday or something like this. Tagline, event, duration, 2 hours per session with a plan. How can you make a birthday with a plan? So we need here the price. Where the price? Here, fixed price or varied. Price varied. So let's just put an example of 2000 dirhams. Here, just like this, and save it. Save without price options, save anyway. I can add price. Now it's saved. Now let's go home and continue. Set your working hours. This is very easy. The days from to set hours. Here we have update your staff details, the workers or people. Add your staff and set their work hours. Here you can also assign roles to your staff so they can help you manage your business. So this is the staff number 1. Let's add the staff number 2. You can name them depending on who's gonna help you. Let's put this one. Hours, it will work every day, even Sunday. Even Sunday. Yes, of course. Even Sunday. Poor worker. Every 2 week. Nah. Save. Next. Let's go to home page, to the dashboard and continue. Payments method, it depends on you. You can add your PayPal account or it varies depending on your country. So design your website. Now we are talking real. So like I said, there are 2 types. You can let Wix do the job or you can customize and design a template. So let's let Wix do the job. Here we have review and edit your info. You need a logo, a name, an email address, an address, a phone number, and a social account. After filling this information, click on next. Now you have to choose a theme. Basil, Wild Rose, Chic, Serene, Classic, Prestige. Let's choose Prestige. Preparing your homepage. They will give you 3 choices to choose one of them. I don't know how. Just choose one of those for your event management. I think this one is perfect. Now let's add some pages like work, services, contact, news, some stories about your website, about your workers, testimonials, and click on next. Now your homepage is being prepared. Add in your pages and finalizing the work. So that's it, and your website will be ready. Now you just have to go to the editor and change everything: pictures, text, especially the pictures, and the contact information, the header. You add some apps, elements, pages section from here. So you take your time. The design of the site may take you more than 5 hours. So I'm just showing you an example of the creation. Don't think you can create a whole website in 8 minutes. So this is how your website will look like when you are done. You just have to finish. You can also edit the website for mobile version, but we are not doing this now. So this is how it will look on the mobile version. So make sure it fits. Next, we have to refresh this page, the dashboard where we had the steps. Now I think only 2 steps left: the domain when you have to upgrade, where you have to upgrade your account, and no, I didn't click anything. And set up payment method as it is easy, and to get found on Google. To get found on Google, you start your SEO journey, answer 3 questions, and build your personalized checklist, complete all checklist, and connect by verifying with Google so people can start finding you online. What's your brand and company name? We have Madara. Next, what do you serve? How do you serve your customers? So it's an event planning. I don't need a physical address. I serve customers everywhere. Next, which keyword you will need to use? So while people searching on those keywords on web, they will find your website. Let's say event planning, event management. Sorry if I misspelled anything. I'm just writing fastest as I can. Don't worry about this. Just make sure you choose the right words. We have party events, something like this. Click enter. Next, we have those 3 simple checklists that you have to complete. The first one is just depending on your website: a title, a description. You can just click on this and fill something like Madara. Event management, event planning is better. Click apply and publish. Now this is your website title. Now here we have add the homepage. You will need a description that contains your keyword and more than 50 letters, and the name of your brand: Madara event planning. Event, not init. That's why it won't check. This one, and you add something like this here until the blue thing toggle on. This one here, apply and publish. Now you just have to add text to your homepage, and it's easy. So the text to your homepage that you will add should contain the homepage, the keyword. Now you just have to upgrade to connect it to a domain and click get found on Google. The next step is to build your SEO progress and optimize your site pages on engine. Those are necessary if you want a serious business. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.